Alright, well, I'm actually happy today because guess what? I'm gonna tell you how many fire alarm collections do I have today. Well, here you go. There are about like 6 fire alarm. No, there are like about like 5 US fire alarms. And enough of that 2 time. That's just 2 time from Roblox Forsaken. And I love playing Forsaken in Roblox, but now here we go. Here is 2 time closer to my fire alarm keys. So I have 2 fire alarm keys that I wanted to get. So here is the mini horn system sensor Spectral Alert Classic. No, Spectral Alert Advanced. Mini horn Advanced. The baby advanced. And here is a Demco fire alarm pulse station. And here is the Wheelock 7001T. And here is the Spectral Alert Classic. Here is the Simplex 4906 dash 9101, if I remember. But finally we made it. We only have two American strobes. Only two American strobes because not all you're gonna see this, but yeah. 2 system sensors in 1 fire alarm key, 1 Ademco, 1 Simplex, 1 Wheel lock fire alarm. Of course. Now, these fire alarms are now my collections, and I'm very responsible. I am very very responsible for these fire alarms. However, I only have one white fire alarm and four red fire alarms. I'm gonna have 2 white fire alarms and expect for 2 time. You might know who is 2 time. 2 time is the he's a popular killer. If I know, probably Pretty Three Princess could be stronger than 2 time, but who knows? 2 time must be useless, but whatever. However, if you know what this key is, this key appears to be Simplex, cause yeah, you never see Simplex fire alarm keys these days. Here. Oh no, that's not Simplex. Oh, that's the reason why my key never fitted to this fire alarm. So, what we just have is a Ademco pole station. I was the first to get this one before others did. So here's the pole station. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 6, 7. Oh, never mind. 6, 7 is still over as the early of 2026. But, however, if I just do this, here you go. The system sensor model is S2 S2430 S2430. As you can see, if you want to read this, go ahead. Take your time. Pause the video if you want to. Okay, so it was. Wait, what the hell is made in Mexico? If this was made in Mexico, then this fire alarm chiller was also made in Mexico. What the hell? This was made in Mexico too. What kind of fire alarm is this? A Mexican fire alarm? What kind of fire alarm is this, anyways? Just like this fire alarm, these are made in Mexico. These fire alarms, you see the Mexico lettering? It's actually, these fire alarms are made in Mexico compared to, unlike this one, this was only made in Canada if I'm... This is only made in the US or made in Canada. Well, however, there are some fire alarm communities that are ending up getting stuck to 17 subscribers and some poor fire alarm communities. But I heard Sea Alarm is getting popular already now, so well, shout out to Sea Alarm. If you're watching this video, Sea Alarm, if you're the first, congratulations. You are the first to watch this video. So, well, I have 2 simplex keys now. These are probably not the simplex keys what I was talking about, but these might be keys for the restroom, but who knows. That's probably missing. But, however, if I just move them back, you might see the difference. Oh, not this one. Sorry, this mounted bracket is not fitting like it used to be, so move it out that one away. Go to the difference. Here is the fire alarm difference. And then the mounted bracket difference too. I'm gonna have to place that there. Here's the fire alarm difference too. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. We have 3 fire alarms that are working. This one not working because it does not take 9 volts. It only takes 25 volts or excuse me. This battery only works for fire alarms and smoke alarms too. I also have a smoke alarm kitty, but I'm not testing that for now because I can only test the smoke alarms if I get requested to do. So I would love to do it, but no, because my uncle and my dad's already here. So there you go. I might probably wait for a request this. So please ignore the sign. Please ignore the sticker because I don't wanna. Do not comment me. Do not comment me. Why is the sticker here? Why is it even here? Do not comment me. Do not comment me. Why is the sticker here? So the reason why the sticker was here in the system sensor because it was owned by the system sensor, and Dew Point 89 owned this. This is not my fire alarm, but this is what Dew Point 8900 owns it. But instead, he decided to sell his own fire alarm, which is this one. So he just sold it. He just sold it on eBay. So that was the only fire alarm I can get. That was only $18. So yeah, I'm gonna get another fire alarm like this, but it's the same thing. It's just the same thing. You know, I love collecting this. Oh wait. Well, how many fire alarm collections do I have now? Here you go. Here are the fire alarm collections do I have now. Here are the fire alarm collections do I have. So here you go. Fire alarm collections. At the first time. So here are the fire alarms now. We have at least maybe about like maybe we at least have like 5 fire alarms and 3 fire alarm pole stations. Whoa. Oh! Okay, that was a bad idea. I accidentally broke something here. I accidentally fell on the floor and I got injured, so I ended up getting injured, so here's the test. here. Alright, so enough of these fake fire alarms. Alright, so here are the fake fire alarm collections I have now. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 3 fake fire alarms and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 real fire alarms and 5 real fire alarms. Yeah. Okay. Well, there you have it. Thank you all for watching this video.